Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we want to share with you our new and improved LED cup holder coaster kits. So this is a very popular product, but we've made some improvements on it that we're excited to share with you. Some of those improvements have been that now all of our coasters are fully RGB color capable. So what that means is you can cycle through a variety of different colors, from blue to teal to green to red, whatever you're trying to go for in your truck. Or if you just decided to change your mind and want something different that day, now you have the option to do that simply by pressing the control button here on the back of the coaster. So you've got full RGB color. Another thing we've added is a fade feature, a pulsate feature, so you can cycle through different lighting sequences on the coaster. So when you set your drink on, or the color will actually pulsate, which gives a really cool effect at night and in the evenings inside your truck. Another thing we've added is increased battery life. So now your coasters can go longer on the same amount of charge time. All right, so you don't have to charge it as much. And when it comes to charging, another thing we've added is, as you know, the prior model had a USB charge port, but now we also added a solar panel on the back of the coaster. So that makes it extremely easy to charge. Just flip it over and let the sun or the lights from your interior do the charging for you, and then you flip it right back over. Okay, so it's as easy as that. The coasters are still activated by motion, so if you park the truck, you don't have to worry about them staying on all the time. It's only when the truck is moving back and forth that the lights will turn on, when it knows someone is in the truck and operating it. All right, so those were some of the upgrades we made. We've also added an FX4 design, which was a much requested feature to go along with the Platinum and the XLTs and the Lariats and the various trim models that our F-150s feature. Okay, so it's a great product, obviously extremely easy to install. You're basically going to get it out of the package when it arrives to you, charge it fully, and then pop it into your coaster, and you're ready to go after you choose your favorite color and our sequence. Okay, so you can check them out at F150LEDs.com, where you'll find all of our custom LED lighting products built specifically for your Ford F-150. We truly appreciate your support. Be sure to click the subscribe and like button below, and we'll see you at F150LEDs.com soon. Thanks, guys.